Hi, welcome to the Government High School and Decide Physical Science online classes. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss one of the important questions from the chapter heat, that is, method of determination of specific heat of a solid. As it is a lab activity, we have to follow the procedure in writing answer. The procedure is, initially we have to write aim is to find the specific heat of a given solid. To perform this activity, the materials required are calorimeter, thermometer, water, lead shots, etc. Here this is the calorimeter. Now calorimeter will be in the shape of a cube, and it is completely made up of the outer portion with wood, and internally we can find copper vessel with stirrer along with the thermometer to measure the temperature. Initially we have to take the empty calorimeter, that is nothing but empty copper vessel with stirrer, and then we have to find out the mass. Empty calorimeter mass is nothing but mass of the copper vessel with stirrer. Now let it be M1. Now up to 1/3 of calorimeter we have to take the water, and then we have to find out the initial temperature of the water, let it be T1. Now we can take out this copper vessel with water, and then we have to find out the mass. Here the mass is copper vessel and also water present in the vessel. Now let it be M2. Now we have to calculate only the mass of water present in it. That can be obtained by taking M2 minus M1. M1 is empty calorimeter mass, and M2 is the mass of water with calorimeter. Now we have to take some lead shots in a beaker with water, and we have to increase the temperature up to T2, and then we have to note it down. T2 is high temperature. Now immediately we have to transfer the lead shots into the calorimeter. Then what will happen? The lead shots are going to lose the heat energy, and water in the calorimeter gains the heat energy. There will be transformation of heat energy from hot body to cold body till the equilibrium obtained. Now at equilibrium state, the heat energy lost by the lead shots will be equal to the heat energy gained by the copper vessel and also water. And then we have to measure the temperature, let it be T3. This is equilibrium temperature. This can be more than T1 and less than T2. We know that. Now we have to find out the mass of copper vessel, water and lead shots. Here we need to calculate only the mass of lead shots. We can get the mass of lead shots by subtracting M1 from M3, because M1 is the mass of empty calorimeter and M3 is the mass of copper vessel, water and lead shots. Here, according to the method of mixers, the heat energy lost by the lead shots is equal to heat gained by the calorimeter plus heat gained by the water. By performing this activity, we got all the values of this formula. So by substituting all the values in this formula, we can get the specific heat of lead shots. By this activity, we come to know the specific heat of lead shots. So we shall meet with another question in the coming session. Thank you.